we guide you through how to use tracking in FreshBooks. So first, log into your FreshBooks account and open the time tracking section from the left-hand menu. Click Track Time to start recording your work. Select the project and client you're working for. Then enter a description of the task. Start the timer when you begin working and click Stop when you are finished. You can also add time manually by selecting the date, entering the hours worked, and adding a description. Before saving, make sure the correct client and project are selected. Your track works and hours will then appear in your time entries where you can review or edit them. If you bill clients by the hour, you can mark the time as billable so it can be included when creating an invoice. And finally, review your track time regularly to make sure your entries are accurate.